Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Busy Dad. And tonight, we're cooking asparagus chicken. This is a fantastic dish. It's a weeknight tonight. I wanted something simple. This is simple. It's about as simple as you can get when you're pan frying some chicken. The strategy is very simple here. We've got chicken going in the other pan here, just put on. While that's browning on one side, we'll start chopping up these vegetables. First vegetable here, as you can see, garlic. Garlic is a tremendous food. It has a great taste. But in addition to that, it's full of all kinds of sulfur compounds. They're good for your immune system. People claim it can help prevent cancer. This is a green onion, but I'm using this in place of a white onion. Fun fact, a green onion is just an immature type of another onion. This particular one, if you let it grow long enough, instead of pulling it out of the ground and you just left it there, this would turn into a white onion. So as this gets older, it will taste more and more white. Onions are also a great food. They're going to pair really well with all the other ingredients here. Shiitake mushrooms. One of my favorite. My kids actually love this. I don't have a helper today. If I did, they'd probably be asking to help chop. And I don't really want that, so I'm a little bit glad she's not here. Mushrooms help boost your immune system too. The last ingredient here is asparagus, obviously. These were a little bit sad looking when they came out of the fridge, so I trimmed off the bottom end. And we're just going to slice these about 1-inch sections. So there we go. All chopped. Now all we have to do, wait until that chicken's done browning on one side, about 10 minutes, and throw in our vegetables. So this is what this chicken looks like after about 10 or 12 minutes. It's starting to cook through, it's releasing all of its juices. And now is the perfect time to throw in mushrooms. Mushrooms need a little bit of liquid to cook in. They will also release some of their own. At the same time, we're going to put in our onions and our garlic. We can give this a little bit of a stir, just to kind of cook those a little bit. Make sure nothing's sticking. Cover that back up and cook it for 2 or 3 more minutes. Then throw in the asparagus. Alright, pop quiz. Why are we putting the asparagus in closer to the end? Well, the answer, as I'm sure you've guessed, is cooking time. See, asparagus only needs to cook for a couple minutes. So you should throw this in closer to the end when, in your judgment, you think that you've only got maybe 4 to 6 minutes left. That's an approximation. You'll know when this asparagus is cooked because it will change color and it will be tender. Now, an important note about this chicken. These are chicken thighs. That's pretty important. You can certainly make this with breasts or other cuts of chicken. But when it comes to chicken, the chicken thighs have a lot more liquid and fat in them. And that's what gives this dish its great flavor, along with the aromatics like the garlic and the onion. So we're going to cover that over. Maybe throw in a pinch of sea salt. And just let that cook until it's done. This dish has so much flavor, it doesn't really need a whole lot of seasoning aside from that garlic and onion and asparagus. So we'll give this a little cover, and we will come back and see the final result. And here we go. Coming in from the side. I'll just plate this up. Being careful, of course, not to spill all over the stove. There we go. I've got a little bit more sauce left in the pot that I'll drizzle over later. There's your chicken and asparagus. It looks great. And I am going to taste it. This is the best part of the episode. It's good. It is very tasty. Has a nice salty but also earthy flavor from all these vegetables. I hope you enjoyed this. I started this channel because I wanted to share that cooking could be easy and fun and tasty, and it could be done if you are busy. If you are a busy mom, if you are a busy dad, if you are a busy anybody, a college student, then you belong on this channel. So click subscribe, like, leave me a comment, let me know if you think I'm crazy for cooking this stuff the way I do, or brilliant, either way. And we'll see you next time when Busy Dad is cooking.